Hi guys, I am Diksha Shetty. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a perfect smoky eye look. First of all, I'm taking my favorite moisturizer and applying it on my face and neck. Then I'm taking this Color Bars primer and applying it on my face where I have open pores or huge pores. And then I'm taking this orange matte lipstick from L'Oreal and applying it on my under eyes and around my lips and places where I have acne scar. Now this is going to act like a color corrector, and with the help of my fingers I'm just going to blend it nicely. Then I'll take my favorite foundation which is MAC, and with a blending brush I'm going to apply it nicely evenly on my face and blend it. Then I'm going to take this concealer from MAC. I'm going to apply it on my under eyes and around my lips and places where I have acne scars, and with the help of a brush I'm just going to blend it evenly. To get a perfect base for my eyeshadow, I'm taking this MAC's paint pot, and with the help of my finger I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids, and then I'm taking my compact and applying it all over my face, neck and ears. Now it's time to fix my eyebrows. I'm taking this Kiko's eyebrow pencil which is in the shade grayish brown, which is very natural looking, and I'm just overdrawing it and applying it very easily. It blends very nicely, and then it has a spoolie, so it's very easy to brush it off. I have overdone it, but once my makeup is done it is going to look perfect. Next I'm taking this Urban Decay Vice palette, and I'm taking this lightest pale shade and applying it on my crease, and I'm taking very little product and just building the color. I'm just blending it very nicely. Taking this orangish brown shade and again applying it on my crease and blending it, taking very little color and just building up the color. Taking this darkest brown color and applying it on my outermost crease, and just giving the illusion of V, you can actually see. And I've taken very less product, and again with the help of a blending brush I'm just going to blend everything and soften this out. Now I'll be taking this Naked 2 palette and taking the darkest black color. It's very highly pigmented. I'm just going to place this on my innermost half of my eyelid. Now I'm using a very flat brush and taking very little product and placing it there. Again taking the same dark brown color and applying it on the crease and just blending it nicely, because I really don't want any kind of a harsh edges or harsh lines there. With all the blending and all, I still feel that my black is not darkest, so I'm taking a little more product and applying. like colors to pop up, so I'm taking this purple glittery color and applying it on my half eyelid, and then I'm taking this brush and just blending everything up. Now this is totally optional. If you want, you can do this, or you just can skip this step. And once this is done, I'm taking Color Bar's black glittery eyeshadow and applying it using a brush. Still feel that my shadows are not that smoothly blended, so I'm just taking the lightest brown color and just blending it off. Lastly, I'm going to take the same glittery black eyeshadow, and with the help of my finger I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids, and then I'm going to apply a thin liner using a matte liner. This is, again, I think this one is from a Lotus. Then I'm taking this shampoo kajal and applying it on a lower half of my eyelid, and then with the help of a thin brush I'm just going to smudge it so that it gives it smoky effect. Now it's time to apply mascara and falsies. Once it's done, I'm taking this same purple eyeshadow pencil and applying it on my inner corner, and with the help of a brush I'm just going to smudge it and give that smoky effect. Then for contour, I'm taking this Kiko's contour pencil, which is very creamy. I'm just applying it on my nose and cheekbones, and with the help of my finger and brush I'm just going to blend this nicely. Next, for highlighter, I'm taking this Kiko's highlighter pencil and applying it on my nose, and with the help of my finger I'm just going to blend this. And for my lips, I'm taking this deepest brown color from Kiko and lining my lips. And for lipstick, I'm using a Max Taupe shade, which is a beautiful shade, a nude shade, which is going to suit all skin tone, best for Indian or brown skin. It's a very nice lipstick. It's not completely matte. It is creamy. It has like a velvety creamy texture. For my cheeks, I am using this H&M's pink color blush, which is very subtle and nice, and just brushing it off. Then I'm taking this Kiko's highlighter and applying it on my nose and cheekbones just to give that highlighting effect. So I'm almost done. This is how it looks. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.